Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants have a brain? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants are intelligent creatures that can learn quickly and store information in their brains located in the head region. In addition, their memories can help them deal with their previous experiences in a better way. It can also help colonies organize their social behavior and coordinate activities. Ants have a brain consisting of 250,000 cells that help regulate different activities, including movement, and determine the distance they will cover. Moreover, the brain can help detect damage, interpret visual signals, and can analyze chemical signals. Furthermore, they can detect vibrations and mechanical stimuli and remember their routes due to memory cells in their brain. Reproductive ants, including males and queens, have bigger brains as they have longer bodies. Moreover, these insects can regrow their brains and make them larger when competing to become a queen after the death of an old one. Almost all animals have brains to perform the crucial functions of their life, as it is not possible to survive without a complex structure of neurons controlling all of the senses. Ants have only one brain consisting of around 250,000 cells, which is many times smaller than other higher organisms. Moreover, it weighs around 0.1 milligram, which is considered a bigger structure according to its body size. A large number of ganglia are spread in their body regions that control limb movement. In addition, it appears smaller in size but control multiple activities that ants perform in their life. These insects are capable of perceiving external environment signals and interpreting them quickly to give related responses in a short time. Furthermore, their smaller bodies do not need a complex and large brain to manage their activities, as they have simple mechanisms and functions. The brain is an essential organ for ants like every other living organism, as it controls crucial life processes and improves their living standards. It controls breathing processes, thinking patterns, and feeding habits, and helps detect vibration and chemical signals, as it holds control of internal and external organs. Brain controls the movement of limbs, faces, and eyes and determine when and how long they have to move. Motor neurons in their muscle control the extent of movement and direction. The wings and legs are allowed to move when they have to reproduce and feel hunger, as they have to fly for mating and crawl for foraging. Moreover, this organ controls their behavior, as they cannot make decisions without interpreting and identifying the signals. It controls body temperature and hunger, allowing ants to reach warm areas and food when there is cold outside and they require nutrients. Furthermore, their breathing process is also processed by it, as the brain detects when there is less or no oxygen and makes them close to spiracles to store oxygen. The brain of ants helps detect damage in the body, as they have no pain receptors like other higher animals and only feel discomfort when they get injured. Their antennae have many sensory receptors that can detect mechanical stimuli and send information through ganglia to the brain for analyzing the signal. Moreover, it allows insects to respond according to the signal and move away from the object if it threatens their survival. In the same way, it can detect injuries, limb loss, and other minor damages when something hits them hard, as their touch receptors can send a signal to the head. Thanks for watching the video.